Hey guys, today we're going to be replacing this stock grill with a gloss black mesh style of grill. So I probably won't say a whole lot as we go through it. I know that there are a couple bolts up here on top, and then there's tabs all around this bottom edge that I'll work on getting undone. It should go fairly simple. I've seen another video on YouTube of a guy that goes real in depth with it. I will go into depth as much as I can, but it's also really late at night, so I'm going to try to knock it out. So feel free to hit like and subscribe, and we'll get started. So up here, you're going to take all of these fasteners off of it. There is a bunch of them. We will take all of these fasteners off, and that will get this top piece off, and then I'll show you some more in depth. So right up here, on top of the grill, we have this T30
that use a T30 Torx bit to remove them.
T30 Torx, T30 Torx. We'll take those out, and we'll see where we're at then. Alright, so I'm not sure what all you guys can see, but what you're looking at here is this fastener. It's got a clip on it you got to pop off, and there's a bunch of these fasteners that you have to push this lip down, and then the grill will slide backwards off of it. So there's a bunch of those all along this bottom row.
Pressing these tabs down to remove the grill was much harder than I expected. There is a bump on top of those tabs that I ended up having to use a screwdriver and mash those ridges down so that I could slide it off of the tabs.
So next, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of these plastic rivets to drill out. I'll do that.
What I meant to say is that there will be 4 metal rivets. I drilled with too small of a drill bit the first time and ended up having to grab the back end of it with pliers to hold it while I used a bigger drill bit. A grinder might be a better option, especially if you don't plan to keep the stock grill.
So after you get all of this apart, you get the rivets out behind the emblem. There's 2 nuts. Pull them loose. And this piece that you need pops off.
I used plastic push-style panel clips to reinstall that plastic piece back onto the new grill. It worked well for me to place one hand on the upper bumper valance piece there and stick my fingers inside of the new grill and to pull it out toward the front of the vehicle to relock those tabs. After seating the base of the grill, I moved to the top, reinstalled my 4 bolts that are the T30 Torx bits. I then replaced the panel on top of the grill that covers the radiator support and used the existing push pins to hold it in place.